We begin in 5th place with the Ariston Lydos R80, the most sensible option if you want to spend as little as possible and prefer simple controls. It is a conventional vertical electric storage water heater with an external temperature control, a titanium-enamelled tank, and an oversized magnesium anode to protect it against corrosion. It also includes WaterPlus. According to Ariston, this cold water inlet reduces mixing inside the tank and can provide up to 16% more hot water than an equivalent model without the system. The advantage is that you do not need an app to change the temperature, and its operation is easy to understand. The drawbacks are vertical-only installation, energy class C, no scheduling, and an immersed heating element, so limescale can mean more maintenance. It ranks last because it handles a basic, affordable installation well, but makes more compromises in efficiency, limescale protection, and flexibility than the models ahead of it.